Hi everyone, my name is Shay and welcome to my channel if you're new. I am doing an Elsa inspired wintry, purpley, shimmery, sparkly look today for Matt's birthday. Actually, in the next couple of days, we're gonna go on a date, but I like to glam it up more when we go out. So if it's your birthday or you have a special occasion coming up, maybe, hopefully, something that I show and share with you tonight will be something that you can implement the next time you want to add a little extra to your look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be starting out with my new Smashbox Halo Tinted Moisturizer. Normally I would use a foundation for a night out, but I've been wanting to try this. And I tried it a little bit the other day, and I'm supposed to shake it first, darn it, but that's okay. I'm going to start putting that on my face, and it says to use fingers, which is my kind of makeup, honestly. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back on and shake, 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 shake. I'm going to finish covering my face with this tinted moisturizer. And I'll see you guys in a second. Next, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm using 22N. It's light neutral. I'm gonna put that underneath my eyes. I know I put a little bit more on that side, but it's okay. I'm going to slide into my brows, and I actually already put a little bit of Gimme Brow by Benefit on them, and I also shaped them a little bit with my NYX Professional Makeup eyebrow pen, pencil, but I'm going to go back through and do that again. By the way, my NYX brow pencil I got from Target for $9.99 in the color taupe. I'm happy with that. Moving on to contouring. Okay, so I'm ready to apply the eyeshadow to my eyes. I'm going to start by taking my tape. I like crisp lines. This also helps me later have less mess to clean up, to blend out, but most importantly, when I do my makeup up more, I like to use my liquid eyeliner, and it really gives me a straight, precise edge. I'm gonna go ahead and grab my first color, and that first color is going to be a base color. I'm gonna use my trusty Naked palette from way back when, like the first one ever, and I'm going to use this color here called Naked, and it's this one right here. And I'm gonna dust that on the bottom of all the colors I'm going to do. I like to start with a base so the rest has something to blend into. Next, I'm going to use the darkest color. It's going to be purple, and I'm going to start outlining my crease. And why the crease first? I think that it's easier to start at the top and go down so that I don't accidentally start at the bottom, and then when I'm adding, going too high close to like my eyebrow. I just find that I continue stacking, and then I like run out of room, and I don't want that to happen. So I'm going to use this color here in the Naked palette called Hustle. And I'm just going to use that same brush. I always start from the outside and work my way in. That way the most product is on the outside of the eye and the least works its way to the inside, and there's this gradient from dark to light. It's actually where my crease is right here, but I like to bring it up a little bit so that it goes up at an angle just like my eyeliner will. That's just a personal preference. My darkest color will go no higher than that. Next, I'm going to potentially use a different color from a different palette. I'm going to use from the Naked palette still, this one called Toasted. I need a little brightness to this purple. This here got a little wonky. There's that color. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. There it goes. I love that color on top of the other one. See how nice that tape is? I don't even have to think about going too far to the side here. Really happy with that. We're gonna have to blend this one out a little bit, but that's okay. Since I have a lot of shimmers there in the crease, I'm going to switch to my Modern Renaissance by Anastasia. And I'm going to use, I'm gonna switch brushes too. I'm going to use this Buon Fresco. It's another pinky purpley shade. I'm gonna add that down here to the lid, so we're just working our way down. Boom. And what I want to do, I want to use a lighter color in the crease. So on the other side of my brush, I have a smaller brush that looks like this. I am going to go back to my Naked palette. I'm gonna use this color Virgin. My goodness, I've had this palette for so long and I'm still referring to it for most of my eyeshadow colors. I'm gonna put this right here. So I have a little highlight in the crease, in the corner. I want to blend out the top, so I'm going to use a different brush. I'm gonna use this one. It's a little angled. I'm going to pick up, it's in my Natural Face by Too Faced, and I'm going to use this nude color. That way it doesn't add, it just helps me blend out this hard line. There we go. Let's do the same over here. And I also want to use this color called Heaven. And I'm going to put that underneath the brow, right here on the brow bone. A different brush, I'm gonna use this one. I think I wanna be really precise. So I'm going to get that, tap it. And I really like it from my arch and out. From my arch. I also wanna apply these colors to the bottom of my eyelid, but before I take off the tape and work on that, I'm going to grab my liquid eyeliner. I'm going to do this in two parts. And the first part that I do, I start at the top and I go straight down and I draw my line and it makes this triangle. And I do that to the other side and I just match the height of those lines and come down to meet the edge of my lid. After that, I go across and draw my line to wherever I want to end. And I do the same to the other side, and I break that wing into two parts, not just like one and go. That's just too much for me. So I'm going to do that now. And I have actually a video for how I do my winged eyeliner that I will put in this video in the corner so that you can click on that if you'd like a more detailed tutorial on it. And this is the final look. I added the lashes and my lipstick, which was the Revlon HD, Ultra HD that I really like. This one is in the color, it is matte, and it is in Devotion. And I used a lip liner from Sephora, which is in the color Vintage Pink. Those pencils are only offered online and they are awesome. But yeah, this is the final look. Well, that's it for this look. If you'd like to see other beauty videos that I've made, you can see my playlist that I've attached at the end of this video. I thank you for following along. If you learned something new, if you plan on doing this for a night on the town, your birthday, a date, let me know. Also tell me what you'd like to see next. I love your feedback. I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day video very soon, so hopefully by the time you all are watching this, I will have that attached here on the left or the right. I think it's the left. But either way, thanks so much. I enjoy these videos and making them for all of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!